Do you want some more? I'll give you a little bit more. Now you're not going to fall off of that chair, are you? Huh? A little bite? Are you getting sleepy? Hmm? Are you getting sleepy? Would you like to lay down? Would you like to? Don't fall off the chair. You want Grandma to help you lay down? You want to just sleep up there? Hmm? What do you think? Oh, we have another one? Not quite done yet? Alright. When you get ready, you tell me, okay? We'll go find us a comfy place to lay down. You ready? Would you like to go try right now? Huh? Uh-oh, maybe you better stop the Cheerios. I know what's in them Cheerios. Should we get down? Want some more yogurt? Don't want much on that spoon. Uh-oh, it's in the bowl. There we go. Except it's empty. Let me get you some more. Owen, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy, baby? Oh my goodness, don't fall now. Alright, we better put the camera up. Because this is looking pretty serious. Can you tell the camera good night? Can you say nighty night, camera? Oh. I'm afraid I can't let you go. I can't turn the camera off. Uh-oh, second wind. Hey, baby. No. Down for the count.